Unveiling the plot. Understanding, cooking up a scheme. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, cooking up a scheme. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations? Well, you're in for a treat because that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's get started and unfold the layers behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, cooking up a scheme, is a colorful way to say that someone is planning or devising a plan or strategy, often in a sneaky or secretive manner. Imagine someone in the kitchen, mixing ingredients together to create a dish. Similarly, when you're cooking up a scheme, you're mixing different ideas and plans to achieve a specific goal. The word, scheme, can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting that the plan is cunning or deceitful. While the exact origin of cooking up a scheme is not clear, it combines cooking, which implies preparation and assembly, with scheming, which refers to planning, especially with a touch of secrecy or cunning. This phrase captures the essence of creating something with care and intention, albeit with a hint of mischief or ulterior motives. To help you better understand how to use cooking up a scheme in real-life conversations or writing, let's look at a few examples. I think the kids are cooking up a scheme to surprise their mother on her birthday. The competitors are cooking up a scheme to dominate the market. I need to cook up a scheme to get out of doing chores this weekend. Notice how the phrase can be used in both light-hearted and more serious contexts. It's all about the plan or strategy being devised. Understanding synonyms and variations can help you enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few alternatives to cooking up a scheme: plotting a plan, hatching a plot, devise a strategy, concocting a plan. Each of these expressions carries a similar meaning but can add a different flavor to your conversation or writing. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to cook up a scheme, and how you can use this expression in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like cooking. It takes a mix of ingredients, or words, and a bit of creativity to create something wonderful. Don't be afraid to experiment with new phrases and expressions you learn. Until next time, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.